Hey guys, many people like the tea or the coffee in a very hot form. Like some like it in maybe a bit hot, but some like it really hot. And for example, if you are an office worker or someone who is doing some work and sitting on the table, and you would like your cup of tea or coffee or milk or whatever you prefer to be hot all the time, then I have just the right thing for you. I have ordered it for myself, and so I wanted to share it with you guys as well. This is a mug along with a heating pad. So if you once you put the mug on top of the heating pad, it will turn itself on and start heating the mug. And if you pick it up, it will turn itself off. And so always keeping your tea or coffee or whatever hot. So let's open it up and see. This is the packaging. Well, nicely packed, I would say. Let's bring out the heating pad. This is our heating pad, the area for the heating, and the button. Okay, what else? We have a very nice little, I don't know, I mean gold coating, at least it looks like that one, but a nice little long. It's not made of plastic or anything like that. Full on the normal cup, full on mug, if you. And what else? They have the cover for the mug. So on this side we have the hal and the lucky. So I mean it looks good in the dark green color, matches with the pad, everything. And I think this is where this will go. So this is our combination. You put the cup over here, it will start hitting itself. Take it down, it will start, it will turn itself off. So let's turn it on and put some water inside it and see how much time. I will put the cold water inside it and let's see how much time it takes to actually bring it to normal or hot temperature. This will give us an indication of how much time it takes. It is made to keep your hot coffee or tea hot. So it is not designed to heat up something, but you can still use it if you have the time. Like give it 45 minutes. I'm sure it will heat it up. And one thing that, yeah, this is the area, like look back to bottom. This will give you the heating, the transfer of heating. Let me turn it on, put some water inside it, and let's see. So right now, as you can see, it has itself turned itself on. If I pick it up, it is off because the button is beneath it. If you look at it, this one, it is a controlled by the pressure. So once you put the cup on top of it, the pressure is applied and the button is pressed, so it starts itself on. And I can actually manually trigger it as well. Like if I press it from the bottom, you can see the blue light. See the blue light. So it is controlled by the temperature. So let's put some cold water inside it and let's see what happens. So I tested a cold water, put a cold water inside it, and it took 15 minutes for this one to bring it to normal temperature. So expect it to, if you want your cold tea or coffee to become hot, expect 30 minutes. And if it is already hot, then it will make sure that it remains hot. Yeah. So overall, I think if you are the targeted audience for this one, like if you are one of the people that prefer it, the hot of coffee, tea in a very hot state, then I think this is a really good buy. And I think the handling and everything, it does not give you any feeling from any point that it is a cheap product or anything. It feels well made. The cup is really good to hold, especially the one that you will be using most, because this will be just sitting on the table. And then you have this to mix something, give it a general shake. And yeah, overall I think it's a nice little package. And these are not made by, these kind of things are not made by any well-established brand. So I will find some links in and leave them in my video description, so that you guys can go and check the pricing and everything. It costed me around $15 to buy this one, but whatever will be the price, you will be able to see it somewhere here, I think. And yeah, you will be able to find the link in my video description as well. And yeah, let me know what you think of it. Please take great care of yourself. Bye.